I'm here in Middle Tennessee, geographical center of something. And they call me Shop Dog Sam. Hey, y'all enjoy the show now. I show you something. Some years back, it's been like almost 2.5 years now ago that I was at an auction sale. If I tell you about this, if you want me to. Auction sale. The dude's name Joe Moore, and there was a friend I think had some engines at the sale combined. But this wood right here, this wood here come a friend on the internet up east of here, Decatur, somewhere up in there. I actually brought these and gave to Lige and myself, several sets of them, and they've been put to good use. I don't know what kind of wood it is, and I don't know what kind of wood this is. It's really heavy, this over here is, and the reason I'm telling you about this is it's a premium grade wood. It could be, probably, it might be maple, ash or something, but the reason I think it's like hard rock maple, they call it, is it's real heavy and dense. And these two skids, if you put them together like that and you count the growth rings on there, there is, I think it's like 42. So this tree, this section of it right here, and that's not to the center yet, was 42 years old. Is how old this wood is. It's really good. These would really make some nice turning blanks. From the auction sale, the day of the sale, there was like 4 people bidding on these. There was a pile of these skids at the auction sale, and it was a lot of competition, but I did buy them because I needed them for engine carts and assorted projects. But there was some competition because everybody there knew there was good quality wood. But you know, you can hook your ruler over yonder on that side and come over here, and you know you can get it. You can adjust it right in there where it's right on. Well, it's 12 inches. It's inches on this side, and some kind of pickers on that side over there. I'm just saying, it's hook ruler. Yay, Mr. Pete. 222. I got one. It's precise also. So, not to be a wonderment is the quality of this wood. I think it's what you would refer to as tiger stripe maple, because it has I've done already got it marked off here, a layout. I'm going to drill the holes over there, but with the layout, I'll drill it from both sides as this one was, and get a sound, scuff it down and carry on from here. But this wood had been, when I got it at the sale, it had been preserved with I put it over there with like a wax coating on the ends of these right here. They were waxed, and also if you look at them, they have they've been preserved with something when they were dried, I guess. But it's like I don't know what what that finish is, but these are cabinet grade, you know what I mean? I done already went and changed out the cart from a prior design that I had built some years back to this style cart. World's most beautiful McCormick-Deering. Type M. Hey, y'all leave a comment. 1.5 horsepower, EK magneto. I'm going to go ahead and turn this in for grade. Hey, y'all leave a comment down there. You know, subscribe. Pass it on. From here in Middle Tennessee, geographical center of something. You know, when I bought this engine right here from a man. His name was Louis Sled. He done already, he done already passed away. Louis Sled. I bought this engine from him. It costed $33 that I paid for this engine when I bought it. The reason I remember that I bought 3 engines that day was for $100. 3 old junkers, this being one of them. $33 each. And I bought a baby goat that day. Took that goat home in the cowback truck. Man, it was a billy goat. But this is the engine, and I'm going to submit it in for grade. Leave a comment. Oh yeah, changed that cart out today from the other one that was there to this new version of the cart running gear there. My interpretation of them, this being a 1.5 horsepower size. Got some cast iron wheels. They have roller bearings in there, grease fitting. Comes in a kit. Them kits cost $255. And there's some shipping on it. It's shipping's the expensive part that I try not to have to do any shipping. 4 wheels, all the metal welded up. That's what it looks like.